Hi Imagi Coders! I'm Beatrice, one of the founders of Imagi Labs. I work on a lot of different exciting things at Imagi Labs. For example, I'm leading the development and manufacturing of the Imagi charm. This is me at the end of last year visiting our manufacturing partner in China to check in on the status of the production of the Imagi charms. And actually, fun fact, the people in our team have started calling me the mother of Imagi charms. Can you tell why? Anyway, enough about me. Let's talk about today's challenge. Do you ever find yourself counting down the days until some important event or something that you're really looking forward to? Well, check this out. I programmed a countdown function to calculate how many days are left until Imagi Lab's birthday using today's date and Imagi Lab's birthday, which is on July 9th. So there are 24 days left until Imagi Labs turns 2. And that's a very special day. Imagi Labs started as a research project to level the playing field for women in tech. And fast forward 2 years, today we have a small, passionate team working on this very important mission. And we have all of you. It's so exciting to see all the creative projects that you are sharing in the Imagi Labs app, and to see that more and more Imagi charms are spreading around the world. What are you looking for? Let us know. That's your task for day 28 of the imagi30 Days of Code challenge. Use the countdown function that I wrote, or program your own, and share your project with the Imagi Labs community to tell us how many days are left until that special day. Don't forget to add #day28 to your project before sharing it in the app. And remember, there are super useful tips and tricks on our Learning Hub that you can use. And if you ever have any question, reach out to us on our Discord server and we'll love to help you. I think that's it from me. And now it's time for me to go start planning our birthday. I think it might be mostly digital this year. But in any case, there are 24 days left. Hope you will celebrate with us. Bye!